Oh, it's always a beautiful day when we see fresh ingredients for this dish. And we're going to start right down here, lower left. That's about a pound of bacon. And guess what? I'm going to chop up and use every bit of it. Oh, a moment of silence for great bacon. That's enough. Anyway, moving on. All right, we've got an Idaho baker potato right there. Did I just say baker potato? It doesn't matter. It's a potato and it came from Idaho. There's a half an onion and some green onion for the garnish there towards the end as we finish up. There's my mission flour tortillas. Those are the kinds I always use for any kind of a breakfast taco, burritos, things I'm using like that. And how about that? Ooh, look, it's Monterey Jack cheese. Ooh, worthy of a close-up, absolutely. And some sharp cheddar, which I like to use. My 4 eggs, which will go in here. And my Frag out flavor. You guys know I love the best seasoning on earth. There it is. There's Battle Buddy, which is your all-purpose. And we're going to use another one today called Husky, the taco seasoning. Give it a little bit of Southwest, more Mexican-style flavor and seasoning as we're moving along. And there you go, kids. Let's get that cast iron skillet rocking after I chop all this up, and we'll be ready to go. Oh man, are you guys looking at this? I just love great cast iron. My pan is 27 years old as we're doing this video, and look at that thing heating up. Tell you what, we're not going to mess around anymore. We're going to go ahead and start with that bacon. I chopped everything up, and bacon sizzling in cast iron is one of the great sounds in the world. I know you guys know that. I'm just going to put a bunch of it in there. Get it broken up. Is that enough? What? No? Okay. I got more. Don't worry. And hey, while you guys are watching that, a little bit of seasoning on there. I threw you a curveball. You know what that is? Brand new sample pack, Shellshock by Frag Out Flavor, spicy maple bacon. Let's let that bacon cook. It is hard to top the sound of bacon cooking in cast iron, isn't it, guys? See how we're starting to render it down? The eternal debate, crispy bacon, chewy bacon. Well, I'm on medium heat right now, so for the purposes of our breakfast tacos, what do you say we do a little crispy bacon? I like it crispy. Oh my goodness, are you guys checking this out? Isn't that great? My bacon's crispy. Time to get it out of there, get it drained, paper towels. We're gonna start on our potatoes. Oh my goodness, that looks great. Woo! A little bit of potatoes in there, some Frag Out flavor on top. Looking good. Now I did wash my potatoes, dried them, and I left some of the bacon grease in there while these get started cooking. Not all of it, and I'm still on medium heat. And we're going to take a look at these potatoes as they start to cook. Looking good already. Oh yeah. There you go, guys. Looking good on our potatoes. And I moved them around a little bit. They've started to turn your classic golden brown color. I even did a little taste test on one. They're looking good. How about some of that onion? Let's put our onion in there. Get it stirring around. We're still on medium heat. Get that onion to combine with our potato flavor and some of the seasonings from the Frag Out. Onion, potato, and bacon grease. Are you kidding? And look at that. Onions combined in about 6 minutes with our potatoes. And notice how most of our bacon grease is gone in here. Isn't that cool? Potatoes got it. Let's put our bacon back in there, guys. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, come on now. And it will start to render just a touch more. I'm going to let that go only for a minute or so. Still on medium heat. We're going to get ready to add our eggs, get this mixed in. Doesn't that look fantastic? Got your bacon and everything back in there. I'm going to show you guys what we're going to do. We're going to round out 4 spaces. Right here. Bottom of the cast iron. This is where our eggs are going to go, okay? Close enough. You're in there, you're in there. Everybody's in here. Now let's see what you guys think of this. Crack an egg, it goes right in the corner. Just like that. Crack an egg, right there. Let's do all 4 of them. What do you say? One last egg. Why not? Oh, yeah. Now, is that looking good or what? You know what we need? Cheese. As you guys watch that cook, check this out. I'm going to put some cheddar on top first. Some of the Monterey Jack. You guys remember that? Wonderful, wonderful. Oh, wow. That goes on the top. Let's use it all. And I'm going to save a little bit. Now, on top of that goes some of our Husky seasoning. You guys remember the Husky? When we started, you were probably wondering, hey, I hadn't used that yet. I throw it on the top just for a touch of seasoning across the top. Gives it just a little bit of that oomph, you know? And your green onions, I did a little bit of slicing of those, got some color. Right across there. Oh, we've already got some melting action happening, don't we? Oh my. Looking good. I wonder if you guys remember Cashmere, All Will Be Revealed. Robert Plant, oh, looking pretty good. I put the top on for a touch of steam action, and we're gonna let this go. Just like that, melt it down just a touch more. That's looking pretty good right now, guys. I gotta be honest with you. We're almost done. I declare a winner. I think it's time for all of this beautifulness right here. We're gonna separate. Remember where our eggs are, guys? Here, in the middle. Right here. Oh, wow, look at that. Now, gonna do this live right here on the video with our flour tortilla. Dig it right out. Get everything in there because it's cast iron and it's non-stick. Oh, look how pretty that is. And it goes right in there. Look at that. Got it. Are you kidding? Potato, bacon, two kinds of cheese, that frag out flavor, the onion. We got breakfast tacos. I think I'll set these things up for you. Wow, doesn't that look good? Lord have mercy. Look how we've got our little runny egg when I pushed them together. I did that on purpose. And you can serve them this way. You can bend them up like I did. Eat it like a regular taco. Knife and fork. How do you like it? Hey guys, what do you think about that? How about some Cholula? I love my Cholula. Let's put a little bit on each of them. What do you say? Just a little. Give you some of that extra kick, some spice. Oh, that looks amazing. Woo! Oh my goodness. Like I always say, we love you guys for watching and supporting the channel here. Please like and subscribe if you're into this dish. Let me show you right over here. Look at that. I got one left. I got room. Are you on your way over in the cast iron skillet? Best breakfast tacos I have ever made. Gotta get started eating. Appreciate you guys watching once again. See you next time. Can you believe I did that? Oh my goodness, watch this, watch this. Thank you very much.